Okay, we've gotten a little further here. Number 1 and number 5 pistons are out that far, just as far as to like the first ring popping out. Then the rods get trapped between the block and the crank, which I still can't turn. The number 2 piston is sliding pretty easily on its way out. Number 3 hasn't moved for a while. I've got them soaking in solvent. But I pulled the pulley off of the front, and it's interesting, this timing chain very badly rusted. A little hydraulic shoe contraption, and it looks unworn. Was probably replaced. So looks like this big nut has to come off. I don't think the crank's gonna turn. I mean, this guy is just like a solid chunk of metal there. So this guy's free. So until I can get the timing set off, it's not going to turn. I loosened the main caps, but to no avail. So if I can get this timing set off, I'll start a new video at that time. Thank you.